Welcome everyone to the satellite imagery analysis. Today we want to talk a little bit about the Asian region, just because I switched into that location and I was seeing a couple of things happening. So on the coast of Shanghai you can still see the hurricane, which is now hitting the city, hitting the land. So this one has still a lot of power in itself. Well, it's not so strong anymore as it has been when it was on the east coast of Taiwan, but it's still pretty intense. So you can see it in this location here. But I want to talk about something different, which is I want to talk about this low pressure system which is currently being created, and I specifically name it like that because there are many factors which look engineered. So at one point you see these condensations, these rapid, in the first place it's a rapid evaporation. So you can see in this area where you have one spot on the ocean where this water vapor is coming out. Well, actually it's three spots as I can see it if I zoom in a little bit more. So here you can see that we have not just one source of evaporation, but it's some sources. So if 1, 2, 3, approximately 3 to 4 sources of water evaporation in this area, and towards the end, so towards the end of the playback area, towards 10 a.m. Well, it's Berlin Standard Time, so it's a Germany time. So you need to calculate yourself what's your local time. We can only see one, but it has been merged together with these separate sources. But anyway, we have this, in my opinion, artificially created low pressure system, which is turning anti-clockwise, and it wants to move towards the coast of Japan because it looks like that. There's still some high pressure system rotating in this area, which is pushing against this low pressure system. But they, and I intentionally say that, they are trying hard, and we can take a look at that. They are trying hard to push, to further push this low pressure system to make it move towards west, so to make it move towards Japan. Why? How does it come that I say that? Because we can see this low pressure system being artificially fueled here with these rapid evaporations. Well, you can see them, right? Then we have in Russia we have this this evaporation here, which makes sense if you want to change this high pressure this clockwise turning system, the high pressure system, which is currently pushing everything towards the east side again. So this low pressure system has a hard time now on its own to go against the high pressure system. You can see how it's like being pushed away towards the ocean. So they are trying to create a low pressure system here, which then pulls the stuff in towards Japan. And also on the right side, on the east side of this this main low pressure system, which is about to become a typhoon, cyclone, hurricane, whatever. So you can see on the right side of that, on the bottom of the screen, they are still again trying to create an anti-clock system, which is fueling and pushing everything even more to the left side. So on both sides they are pushing and pulling to make this thing go towards the coast of Japan. Just take a close look at that. We are on windy.com. Many details are visible here, and it can be interesting and can be urgent also, because we don't know if they succeed with the plan. So everything looks like currently it's static, it's stagnation, because the high pressure system still pushes it towards the east. But if they push and pull more against nature, so to say, it can be that the system is becoming a stronger one and then actually goes towards Japan.